Hi guys, welcome to this video about the FINENIC GoPro Hero 7 Black silicone case with a cap for the lens as well. I have already, to protect my GoPro, I have already put on this tempered glass lens protector and also the screen protector, and that worked pretty well. So if you're interested in that, so just watch my other video. So here I have bought this case as well. So usually I'm using it with the housing, with normal housing, I mean with the frame, and yeah, using it at my mountain bike. But if I want to use it maybe somewhere else, just keep it in my pocket or give it to children that they can use it at the beach or something like that. I want to have some more protection because the thing is that this case is really hard. So if I bump it, you can hear that. If I bump it too hard, or if it bumps too hard on the ground, there like on concrete, that wouldn't be too good. So I want to have some kind of extra protection, and so I bought this and wanted to know if this really works. So this is the cap. The good thing, it comes with this hole, so you can secure it with like a small cord. So yeah, it sticks more or less, so it doesn't drop from just holding it down, but it's not super secured. I will definitely think about to secure it with a small thread or something like that. That will definitely be a good idea. I have to just find out where I can secure it. There are some holes, maybe one of them is intended to secure the lens cap. So let's see if it's still clean after that, or if the cap itself left a lot of dirt. No, I think it's still good. So the question is only how can I put this on. So that will take some time, I think. I think it's turned off. Yeah. So I try from the side, hold it down, and that's gonna be a little bit tricky without pushing any button. I think from here, from the side where the camera is, that's the easiest way to push it around. Yeah. Okay. Maybe it's a little bit boring, but I want to let you see in real time how long this could take. I mean, when you're used to do that, then it goes a little bit faster. But of course, the disadvantage, you can't charge it, you can't open it for anything. Of course, you can turn it on and you can do everything. I mean, touchscreen still working, of course, there's nothing in between. Should actually work, but it should not interfere. What's that? So yeah, sometimes it's a little bit annoying. So, but actually it looks like it's working. Maybe it's a little bit, yeah, because there's a little bit a bigger bump. You have to get used to that. You have to really go to the edge, to the corner here. So that's maybe a little bit the difference, but you can still work with that, and you can still use the shutter release button easily. There's no difference. And of course, can we put the cap? Yeah, when you put the cap on, you can see there's not even a gap in between. I don't know, maybe you can use this thing to, is that the speaker? I don't know if that's the speaker or the microphone. Speaker, can't remember, but maybe we can use that to secure the cap, because that's really close. Yeah, so that's not bad. I will definitely use that for beach. Yeah, for beach or any kind of outdoor activity where I'm not planning to use the frame with the mount. So it's not looking bad. I mean, it's basic, but it does what it should do. Yeah, but definitely good to know that you have to open and remove it every time you charge or connect it with your computer. So yeah, I will definitely keep it. It's not a bad thing, and it was cheap. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.